as he got a zoo. I'm telling you,
It's a world-class menagerie. Prince Ali, Prince Ali, Alabama.
Heard your princess was a heart, lovely to see. And then could deeply swine. He gulped a job and dropped by.
With 60 elephants, rabbits galore, his bears and lions, a brass band, and more with his 40 bakers, his boots, his bakers, his 40.
Even you can be cut away. So prepare for the chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. A shining new era is tiptoeing nearer. And where do we feature? Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds certain, but you'll be rewarded when at last I am given my dues. And it just and deliciously squared. Be prepared. Prince Ali, yes it is he, but not as you know him.
Genie, I need help.
Read my lips and come to grips with reality. Yes, meet a blast from your past, whose lie were too good to last. Say hello to your precious Prince Ali.
Ali, Jasmine, what the fuck?
So Ali turns out to be a merely Aladdin. Just icon, need I go on, take it from me. His personality flaws give me adequate cause to send him back in a one-way trip. So his prospect take a terminal leap. His asset frozen, the venue chosen, the end of the world.
Boy.
So long, ex-Prince Ali.